I'm in IT, study computer science engineering.
Okay, computer science. Okay. If are you doing fitness activities there?
Hmm.
Yes, regular?
Like in terms of cardio, I'm doing.
Just cardio only.
Just cardio.
Okay. What about the physical strength
No,
activities? No.
after college.
After college. Okay, after college you will do. I see. So, Chandraveer you said.
Hmm.
Where are you from?
I'm from Jodhpur, Rajasthan.
Oh, Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Okay.
You? You're from Bangalore.
I have been in Bangalore for 7 years, but I am from Jharkhand.
Jharkhand. Oh, my friend is
Oh,
from
your friend.
Bokaro.
Oh, he's from Bokaro. Okay, I studied in Bokaro. So, one thing, like I have a fitness startup. It's a Meluris Fitness Gym.
Hmm.
We are more than like 200 people, youth there. How you take it?
Like it
Say,
boosts confidence and
yeah, anything like that you want to say. Please, please be there, be there, be there. That's okay, no problem. Yeah. How you take fitness? Because what we do, we connect with the youth. Okay. We believe one thing, feeling a bit lazy. Okay. So we believe one thing: youth are the only power.
right.
Okay. First thing. So my preference is always to connect with the young bloods only. Fine, because it's good to connect with them and then knowing what they are doing right and how they are taking the fitness. Because yesterday I watched a video. It was on a podcast.
Which
Fit.
cost?
I don't
Ah,
remember. I just go only for the content and then I forget. So it was all about like reverse aging.
okay.
That's a very crucial topic,
Hmm.
right? Okay. Fortunately, I'm discussing with you only. Okay, because this is something right we should discuss with everyone, and I'll hope I'll be discussing with everyone. For reverse aging, like fitness, exercise, these types of like physical activities are the best, are the only way to put you in reverse aging, right?
Ah,
You believe so?
right.
Because we have trillions of cells in our body. They need nutrients, they need water, they need proper oxygen, right? Same like us. Once they don't, they start getting dry, dead, and then we start getting old, right? How you take fitness?
Like it boosts confidence and increase oxygen level in body.
Okay, so just because of
Ah,
the confidence,
right. Hmm.
anything else that you think that okay, no, fitness I do because
No, it increase brain power.
in brain power.
Hmm.
Okay, from more oxygen to brain.
Ah, I can focus more if I do cardio.
Okay.
Hmm.
So what sort of activity you do in cardio?
Like running and skipping majorly.
Running and skipping.
Hmm. I
So
started skipping in COVID days. Like we can't go outside, so all we have to do is to we are inside the home, right? So inside home I'm just doing skipping all the time.
okay, only skipping.
Ah,
Okay, so what do you have to do? You have to teach me skipping. Okay, let's do it. Sure. Sure. If you want, I can give you because I always carry two, but still, since you have, okay. So yeah,
this is new. I
yeah.
break
No,
the
that's
old one.
that's okay. If you want, like I have the old one.
Okay. What should I have?
Just let me know what sort of.
Okay. We can jump high also. And we can try different variants also by doing just with one leg. Okay, this is all.
So why? Okay, why skipping? I think skipping is one of the easiest form of
Huh.
cardio. Yeah, easiest form of cardio.
Right.
People they are lazy.
No, I used to do running.
People like me very lazy. Okay. but still into fitness startup. So
Can you
skipping-
suggest me some better cardios other than skipping and running?
oh, there are many. We'll discuss. So why skipping you think that people should do?
Because skipping, like if you do 20 minutes of
First,
running,
how much you paid for this?
100 rupees.
Just 100 rupees.
Ah.
So this
It is to
skipping
start.
rope is just for 100 rupees only. Anybody can buy.
Ah.
Okay. And then second thing is anybody anywhere we can do.
Right.
Anytime we can do.
Hmm.
Right? Nothing like that. You have to put up.
Whenever we are like feeling low,
Hmm.
we can do it.
Okay.
Hmm.
Feeling low.
Right.
Really?
Hmm.
Did it work?
Right.
Look, okay, I'm not feeling well. Yeah, I'm getting lazy.
Like if you increase your blood flow in your body, then obviously you will feel well. There is no doubt about it.
Really?
Ah.
Okay. So
You
once the
already know.
blood flow increases in the body, then we start feeling well.
We feel high.
Something like the laughing therapy, like that helps quickly, right? And then we start feeling well.
Hmm.
Once we laugh, then
Right.
something like that.
Hmm.
Oh, I didn't need that. So that's a nice good thing. So to increase the blood flow and to feel well, okay, that's good. What message you want to leave for those who want to be in fitness?
Like start. You can start every day. You can start by small, like doing 2 minutes of run. Then you can increase it gradually.
Okay. So Chandraveer is from Rajasthan,
Jodhpur.
Rajasthan, Jodhpur, doing intern in Bangalore, and then
And I am from NIT Kurukshetra,
NIT Kurukshetra,
which is in Haryana.
which is in Haryana. Okay.
Hmm.
So that's a nice. Okay.
What's
So-
your good name?
Okay, my name is Vishwachandra.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Okay, same here. Yeah. So this is how we are connecting with the youth in Bengaluru, and yes, we have the objective making the youth of the Bengaluru fittest by 2025.
Okay.
Yes, something like this.
Hmm.
Yes, it's just 3 months old baby, but we are more than 200 on like. So what do? We take snaps, right, with the youth, right,
Like you
and then
post it on where?
Instagram, right, and then on
Not on YouTube.
on YouTube as well, on then Facebook as well, right? So that we can make this first a community, fitness community. Second thing, so that next day I come, then
Like
I
you.
could say, hey, hi Chandraveer, how are you?
Right.
Okay. So second thing is that socializing. So again, this is a good thing that this is one of the best way to
Where
socialize.
you connect people, like only on Savarkar Park or like you go to gym or some other
So
thing.
it's all about like as of now, we are covering only the parks in Bangalore. So that very like we just want to make it very neutral. One, there is no such leader here. Let's say like tomorrow we conduct some events where we all are participating. Level wise competitions are
No,
there.
starting from park is actually a good idea because the people who go gym, they already aware about fitness, right? So,
That's why
hmm.
we want to keep this very much neutral and like something like say accessible. Like a few college students they came and they said that okay, where is your gym? I said, how many push-ups you do? He said 10 or 15. I said once you do 50, then I'll say you. So fitness means we don't want like gyms, this and that amount. Those are business places.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
First thing, fitness we want to make this a lifestyle for everyone. You smoke,
No,
booze,
nothing.
super. So if you don't, so I tell those people that if you smoke, even I don't. So those I say those who basically don't smoke, smoke or booze. I say like if you're getting out of your office and if you're smoking, next time do the push-ups. Make it. If you're not shying, you're doing your smoking outside. Why should you worry about your it pumps blood in your body, and so I said that straightforwardly. I said. So this is first thing like making a community, fitness community. Second thing is that socializing. This is the best way of socializing. Third thing is that yes, lifestyle. Fitness activity should be a lifestyle, like a sports activity, not like okay. No, I should go to gym. Yeah. What if you are in Bangalore in some gym? You went 5 days somewhere else. What will do? You'll again join somewhere.
I can do that.
You'll join some gym outside. If you have gone somewhere for
No.
5 days.
I will find some park
But if you are habituated to do your fitness activity anywhere, take out your skipping rope, yeah, you will start doing the push-ups and all. So that's we want. So fitness, because there are a lot of things, right? Stress, release of stress, depression. It is becoming one of the biggest challenges among
Huh.
youth. Right? Sometimes we
Like
feel depressed.
cities like metro cities like Bangalore and Delhi, they were totally into this.
Exactly. They are major like tier one cities. You will find the youth there majorly either stressed or depressed. I'll tell you one thing: those who go to bars, what do you think? They're going to enjoy,
No.
to have fun. They're depressed, right or wrong? They're,
Like they will feel good for some time,
Hmm.
but in the morning
For
they
a
will
while,
again.
not sometime, for a while, and then the same, right? Sleeping, overstressed sleeping. What is this? A form of depression. One of the major form of depression. So that's you want, yeah. Because see, if you socialize there, then someday, okay, then you will also feel good. I also feel good. I always love connecting with the youth here. Yeah, so fortunately, this is good thing that I found this. Okay, and then oh, nice, yeah. So these are the factors that we bring together only because of fitness.
I hope you will connect thousands of people within
Yes,
1-2 months.
I have connected hundreds.
Ah.
We'll reach to millions. We'll do it. Maybe like it takes 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years. That's okay. I'm going to make it my whole lifestyle. Like the lifetime lifestyle. I'll continue. So, but what we want, like people like you, right? If you okay, we generally make excuses. Oh, I'm not doing fine.
Oh, right.
You say so?
No, I used to.
You used to.
Ah.
Never say so, right? Because it takes just hardly like upload one video which is like stay fit in seconds. So I do some
Okay.
activity there, either some style of push-ups or something I do, and just upload this, just to let the people hit their mind that it only takes seconds,
Huh.
not even like okay 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Because see, once you are in the okay, once you start doing right, fine. I generally tell all these students basically, learn just take only 5 minutes to study. Because if you're going for 5 minutes, right, you will automatically increase for 5, 10,
Right.
half an hour. So first thing is that do something.
Start from something.
Start doing
Like
something.
I read a book, Atomic Habits, like where the author suggested to do something every day daily. Like if you want to read a book daily, if you want to make it as a lifestyle, and you can start by doing just 1 year.
Yeah, this one. So I say the same thing. I met with some college students, PUG students. I asked them, what is the best thing to do in the world? I said no. The greatest thing to do in the world is to do something.
Hmm.
Because see, if you are going for 5 minutes to oh just I have to read only 5 minutes,
Ah.
you'll automatically then like, oh I have to complete this, I have to complete this. Then because first thing is let the people enter the temple. Then you can show the bell, red board, this, that and all. So that's what you want. So that is why I record this. Okay, we will do for seconds. Okay.